Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tip. It's an ointment that you use for pain in your body, like a bone, like arthritis, or if you have tendonitis or whatever it is from the bone. You can either put it on your knee or whatever the ache or pain in your body. All you need to do is to have an avocado seed. I already I already peeled my avocado seed, when I decided to, like, okay, let me just share this. It might probably help the rest of you that has pain for how many years and stuff. And now that someone shared it to me, I wanted to share it back to you guys. I want to help you too. So anyway, my wrist has been hurting for like months and months, probably 6 months or whatever. And I went to the doctor and everything. They didn't find anything or something. They gave me an ointment. It didn't work. I keep taking Tylenol, Motrin, or whatever pain reliever it is. It didn't work. It's still, the pain is in here, and it's so much pain. And so now I'm glad that God bring me this lady, my angel. So we'll see if this works. So all you have to do, you just need an avocado seed. Okay, so when you eat an avocado, save the seed inside. Because I already, and then once you save the seed, it's a brown thingy. All you have to do is peel it. I have here an extra one. So here's the seed of the avocado. All you have to do is peel this brown thing inside. Okay, once you peel the brown thing, it will be like this color. And then once you peel that, what I did, I already cut him in pieces like this. Once you cut it in pieces, it will turn orange or brown. It's okay, that's what it is. So there you go. And then once you do, all you need to have also is an empty container. Any jar, anything, a small container or whatever, it's okay. I prefer it to put in a jar instead of a plastic. It's just me. Probably you can also use plastic or something, but I prefer to put it in a jar. So anyway, so you put your so I already have a ready-made too. So it's right here already. So you put your avocado inside of the jar, and then just make sure to just pour some of the alcohol inside. Make sure it's above the seed, okay? So now I made some more. I'm just going to add this seed in here. So we'll just show you just the fresh one. So here is the fresh one. So I just use one seed on this one. So all you do is like that. There you go. And then you just pour I'll just show you the difference, because this one you see is already brown. I'll show you later. So here is the seed. I put him in there and just pour in a little of, I'm just gonna put it just like this because I'm going to add this in my previous one that I just made just today also. But I remember, I said, you know what, let me just show you this video, and probably it will help you in the long run. So there it is. It's still light compared to this one. You see the difference? So once, put the cap, secure it tightly, and then just shake it. Once you shake this, it will change the color of the avocado. Just shake, shake, shake. And then she even see is already turning that. There you go. So this one it didn't turn like brown yet, so that's why it's like that, but it will be like this. So now I'm just going to combine them because I just made this today. So I want to make sure I have enough. I make a lot, guys. I make a lot. There you go. So just shake like that. And then she told me you store this in a dark place for she told me 3 days, but I'm gonna just try it for 24 hours, see if that works. In 24 hours I probably gonna just get a cotton balls and just dip it in there, and I'm gonna rub it in where my pain was, and then I'll let you know probably in 5 days, or I can probably do 24 hours too. And then I just have to put my comment below in my box, comment box, and then just go back and, you know, and see if it works or not. But I will honestly tell you if it works once I try it for myself. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to store this in the place that I never even opened is my bathroom. It's my bathroom cabinet, so I'm gonna put them in there I'll try the 24 hours, and then I'll use that if it works, and then after that I'm gonna go back again, and then, you know, and see when is the day that you really have to use this. Okay, so thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please share this video to your friend that has pain like arthritis, tendonitis, any sitis inheritis that you can, you know, you can tell, you can say whatever. So again, thank you for tuning in. All you need to do is avocado, all you need to have is avocado seed, rubbing alcohol, and an empty jar. So ciao everyone, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video. Bye everyone, God bless.